Hey guys, so today I'm going to use Marvel Mystery on the Spark here. I've used this on all my vehicles and it works amazing. So one of the first things you do is you take a look here at the ounces. So here we have 28, 24, 20, 16. On the back it says 10 gallons, you want to add 4 ounces. And the Spark has a 9-gallon tank. If you don't know how big your tank is, you can actually Google it, and you can see right here it says 9 gallons. So we're here at the 20. We want to go down to 4. Went a little over, and it's fine. Now we just wait. So just looking at the bottle, you can see that the goal of Marvel Mystery is to increase engine power, reduce wear under heavy load conditions, and improve and prevent valve stickiness. So I've used Marvel since high school, and it's actually, I've seen it make my car drive so much more smoother, and it's worth it. Marvel is one of those products that is amazing, and it's not very expensive either. It's about $3 to $4 at Walmart, so if you get a chance, try it out. Your car will definitely thank you. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.